Hi, also, I've created my business name is Powder Your Face Online. It's pretty much a company that helps you look your best and explaining how does it work. So whenever you're ready to do your makeup, you can go online to the website that's provided, and you'll find someone there to help assist you look your best. I think that's very important for some women today, some men. So I really believe that's a really important company. Okay, so how I created this, I used a template. What I did learn is that I did not know there was a difference between template and theme. At first, I was using a theme, and I realized a template actually is a bit easier, and I do prefer it, and it looks really beautiful, the template that I use. In addition, I love going on view and looking at the different ways. I can look at the slide pane, I can look on normal view, and I can look on outline view. Outline view is great because it can concentrate on exactly what I'm trying to let my audience know, and also I can really focus on how to do my bullet points and the topics that I want them to know. In addition, I use Slide Master. So I created my own logo, and I then use Slide Master to place the logo on all the slides. I thought Slide Master was pretty amazing. It's not something I've ever heard of before or ever used. So that was definitely something that I learned with that. Let me just change it back to normal view. Okay. And this is something that seems explanatory, but I did not remember this until recently, that there's a difference between transitions and animation. So I did utilize each slide. Each slide has a different either transition or animation. As you can see, this one has a fade, this one has a morph, this has none, and now this has push. So it's using different animations, different transitions. So those are the points that I've learned in chapter 2. Thank you very much.